Alright, hello and welcome to the last stream of our AI Judy Mai music video project. We're probably not gonna finish the whole music video today, but we're gonna do the last kind of like effect steps that I wanted to show you guys how to do a unique AI effect. So with that, let me open up the project here. I'm also gonna be hanging out in the Discord voice chat again, so if you wanna join and talk, you can do that on the Color School Discord. Okay, just gonna stream my screen here too. Let's go. Okay. Alright, let's switch to our desktop. So, here we are. So we can have a look at what we already did yesterday. I guess we could... Yeah, so yesterday we made this environment here. And you can see it looks pretty cool in motion.
Just hate it, can't take it. You said love was true, blinded by the truth. So naive to think the only one was you. I didn't mean a damn thing to you. Left me in this bed.
Yep, that's it. And I also improved the chroma key. Like if you look at this shot, I improved the keying process a little bit.
I don't wanna be swayed. I've had it now. Your time is up.
Yeah, so we have much less like spill. I basically made a little self-made system that replaces the spill with the background footage. I can maybe go in here and show you real quick. So let me just duplicate this and go in here, Fusion Clip. Yep. So yeah, I did this. It's a bit I did it pretty quick, so it's not like it's not set up in a super solid way, but it works. So how do I show this best? I guess, okay, so what I'm doing basically is, I'm not using this one right now, I'm using this one, trick here. Damn, how did I do it? Okay, so this is the despill, yeah, no green anymore. Then we mix. Ah, because the magic mask is not here yet. Okay, let me just jump to a frame with the magic mask. Okay, so yeah. We're using the ultra key to go into this. Yeah, so we're basically eating away the edges of the footage, right? And replacing it with our background color. So I guess if we skip this step, we should see the difference, right? Maybe this one. Yeah, a little bit. You can, yeah, you can kind of see how the background texture is being applied here to the edges of the footage, to the edges of the key. Yep, but whatever. Let's go to the next step, to something that I'm actually really excited to show you guys. We don't have anyone. Alright, let's go. Show. Where's the footage? Here it is. Okay. So we want to, in these shots where the light flickers, we want to change the background environment, right? So let's just start with this one here. So I'm gonna duplicate it. It's time remap, so I might want to... Yeah, I might want to render this out, so okay. Yeah, I'm gonna render this, render in place. Let's choose the correct folder. Fix. Let's also call it correctly already. So hook. Yeah, let's call all the shots correctly already. file. This is gone. So I'm just gonna duplicate all of these to one layer above to still have the original shots in the background. So if this is, let's just do the ones I'm looking for now. So these two here. This one has, okay, this has no time remapping, so I don't need to render this one out. This is hook shot 2 v1. This is gonna be hook shot 3. Okay, so let's just start with this one for now. So I'm gonna render this in place, DNX HR. Yeah, highest quality, source resolution. Don't include any effects. Oh, video effects though, yeah, for the retiming. Oh yeah, I should reset the scaling and everything though. Yep, okay. And now that should be good. Video effects and source resolution, yep, render. VFX. What was? Oh no, I had it in footage. VFX convert. Right. Cool. Okay. Put that in here. Okay, so we're going to Fusion now with this shot. And this is a really cool technique I only learned like 2 weeks ago, I think. Nice. Okay, so there's this community-made plugin called, how was it called? Smart? No, what was it called? Vector. Damn, how was it called again? Motion. I think it was with vector something. Damn. Alright, let's look into the effects list here. Maybe we can find it here. Templates. Tools. How was it called? God damn, why did I forget it? Okay, let me quickly look that up again. Smart Vector. I posted it in the Discord chat, so I should be able to find it there. Effects. Oh yeah, here. Vector Warp. Yeah, that's how it's called. So it was Vector. Why didn't I see it? Warp? ST Mapper is definitely a part of it that I need. Not right now, but later. Oh, I know. Okay, I didn't save it yet. I just downloaded it, so we need to drop it in. Right, I didn't save it as a preset yet. Okay, documents. Here we go. Vector Warp, yep. Okay. So we got that in here. Setup. Let's have the split view for this. Okay, so. Okay, so first of all, we need to set a reference frame. And for that, the best is like a moment of an impact. Oh, before that, actually, gonna resize this whole thing, so we don't need to work in 8K because working in 8K is just too much most of the time for me, at least for my setup. Let's do 4K. That's more than enough. Okay. So back to the vector warp. Okay, we need to find a good moment in the time, in the song that we wanna start the warping from. Now, this is playing back pretty slow. Can I change that by doing the resolution in just a quarter? Same. I'm always a bit confused about like the caching in Fusion, because I don't have much in the node tree yet, but it doesn't save the frames, so I don't really know why. Yeah, that's definitely confusing to me. Maybe half resolution. Oh, still super slow. It's green now, but it's still not playing back in real time. Yeah, sometimes I'm really confused by Fusion. Okay, whatever. Let's go back into the edit page, because that one definitely does cache correctly. Okay, but we don't really have any specific moment. But I guess it could be cool to like have it warp into place on the last frame. Or when she's fully visible. That usually works best. Yeah, so let's start with this frame here. Okay, activate that again. And then set reference frame, this one, in file. So this is very important. We gotta set up the saver path. So for that, I'm gonna go into the project. This vector warp, and a new folder for hook. This was called hook 2, right? Is there somewhere the name of the current shot? Let me check that. Clips, does it say it here? No, okay, I guess I gotta go back here. Hook shot 3, okay. FX, vector warp, hook shot 3, V1. Yep, just save it in here. And then controls, we do clean pass. Yep, that should have done it. Okay, let me just check in the project folder. Do you want to reset trimming or external settings? This clip is a different length to the old clip. No, I don't think so. Okay, let's go into the project file. Just want to make sure it's saved it there. Vector warp. Yeah, I think this looks correct. Yeah, so it basically just created for every frame of the sequence an image like this, which is basically the vector map, but the untouched vector map yet. So now, next step is tracking. So, I think at this point we can... Oh right, for vector I like to go to the classic method. So the classic method is, in my experience, more accurate. So I'm gonna switch to classic and then start analyze forward and backward. And then we should start seeing this vector map here warping, starting to warp. Let's see. Yeah, there's definitely something happening here. Okay, seems to work. Yeah, definitely working. Okay, so you're just gonna wait for this to track through the shot. So what is this doing is basically it's what we will be able to do with this later is to put in the background and anything on her, and it will warp, it will move together with the movement of the image basically. It's a pretty crazy technique. Can I disable the audio? Yeah, okay. Well, classic method is definitely very slow. I guess we're gonna do this one, let this one run through in the classic method. But after that, in the next shot, I'm gonna try the advanced, quicker method first and see if the results are still good enough. If it's good enough, we can stick with the advanced method. Test, test, check, check. Okay, almost done. Okay, is it done? Yep, done. Okay. So this should now have the warp information, right? Oh damn, it loads super slow. Is it because the file is big? Yeah, like each image is around like 50 megabytes. Maybe it's quicker if I create the loader. Let's see. Yeah, that's definitely quicker. Much quicker. Wow. Okay. Yep, looks super interesting. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we are plugging this into the ST mapper. I guess we can get this one just out of the way for now. And then we can plug in any image as a foreground element, and then it's gonna be tracked to the background. So for example, let's go with, I just need one still frame. I guess we can just freeze it, yeah. Okay, so let's go with the hook punch environment. Just time freeze it. Time stretcher. Yeah, so we should just have one frame of this, right? Okay, something doesn't work. Oh yeah, I gotta select the correct layer in a multi-EXR input. Okay, but that should just be one shot, right? Yeah. Okay. And then we put that into the foreground of the ST mapper, and then you can see it's getting warped to the movement of the whole shot. And then we can put that, we can merge that with the original. I guess we should key her out. Yeah. So merge that on top. But yeah, let's key her real quick with the method that I did for the other shots already. Let's go into one of these and copy over the keying method. The setup. So this whole part here, the noise reduction, and this whole keying setup. This goes into the noise reduction, and then the RSMB goes into the media out. Put this down here for now. Okay, polygon, we don't need the polygon just now. Yeah, we're not using the magic mask really. Oh hey Eric, what up? Welcome to the stream again. Okay, I'm gonna do a very interesting workflow today. So get hyped. Okay, nice reduction. So we got the key. Yeah, it's going fine. I mean, I think I've been alone up to this point. No one here yet. Yeah, but I decided to start doing a whole new workflow for the hook part of the song now. I mean, I planned on doing that workflow for the hook, but we were busy doing other parts of the video yesterday and the day before. So now I want to do that part, show that technique. Okay, so we got her in the foreground. I guess let's just do the rotoscoping already while we're here. Reset the roto. Mask her out really roughly, like so. Invert the mask. Yep, okay. Then just go to the last frame, see if it's still good. Yeah, middle frame. I like to just like do first and last frame first, and then kind of just like do the like half points between them. If that makes sense. Oh, we got something in there. Yo, Edward, you're back.
Yes, I'm back.
Back.
How's it going?
Eric says, nice. How's it going to be? Will we build the background in 3D? Or will be done with AI? So yeah, for this workflow, I'm actually thinking of not projecting onto 3D geometry anymore, but just generating the background and then using the smart vectors. That's what it was called, right? Smart vector? Oh, vector warp. The vector warp to track it onto the movement. Okay, so this should be fine. Let's yeah, let's put the warp underneath our key now. See how that looks. Some structure. Okay, let's see how that looks. It's definitely warping with her. But I need the color correction from the shot where we already used that one. From here, yeah. So it doesn't look so out of place. Color correction and color curves. Yeah, that looks better. Eric says, so an image planed tracked into the background. No, it's actually not planar tracking. It's I showed the process like a few minutes ago, but I'll do it a few more times today. So we basically generated this warp map here, which has the information of every single pixel in the image moving through time. So you see now our result that we have is we didn't do any point or planar tracking. We just did this vector warp tracking once, and then every pixel of the image has the motion data of the footage. So yeah, I want to see how it looks in movement. Let's see, can we play it back? So it doesn't play it back in like real time. But I think we should be able to kind of get a feeling of how it looks like. But yeah, this background doesn't fit the lighting yet. We need to generate a better fitting background. But it should. Yeah, like it sticks with the background. Like it's a little warpy, but I think for this part of the video I want that for it to like feel strange. Yo, Only Vibes and Trends are also back. Hey boys, nice to see you. Nice to hear you. There's a weird kind of like extending happening over there. What is that? Oh, that's the ST mapper. Okay. Why is it half transparent? It's a bit weird. A bit strange. But yeah, you see like also she is displacing the background, like the footage is like being tracked on her. I'm gonna show you another cool thing about this. So I posted this the other day on the Discord server, but ST map, that's right. I guess I need another ST map. I'll just feed the same information in here, and then have that on top. Then I'm just gonna drop in the school logo, just as an example. Let's see if it works. The school logo, foreground. Yep, okay. So now, okay, I need a transform to move it. Oh, okay, I gotta disable the auto proxy. For some reason that messes with it. But yeah, I can place anything anywhere and it will be stuck on the footage. So like this. So this should be tracking with her. Yeah. That's pretty crazy, right? Pretty cool. Sadly, the playback is very slow. I'm not super sure why. Maybe I should work in full HD on the next shots instead of 4K. Shubham. Shubham is excited that we're back on DaVinci. Damn, we can do this in DaVinci? Oh yeah, dude. This is, as far as I know, this is a feature that was in Nuke for a little time now already. But yeah, we have a community-made tool like that now too. It's called Vector Warper. Vector Warp. Oh man. Yeah, this sadly doesn't play back in real time, so you guys can't really see how it looks in movement. But yeah, basically I can put anything anywhere and it will be tracked together with a shot. I think I will actually change this shot to be full HD because I can't work like this. Sorry. 1000. Yeah, okay, so that. Then I need to retrack it. This, yeah, then I will retrack. I will actually use the advanced method now, which also should be quicker. So analyze, go to frame, analyze forward and backward. That should just override it, I think. Let's try. Yeah, this is much quicker. Much quicker. Nice, nice. Okay, so we got that. This should have already replaced it, I think. Let's see. Where is the mistake? This is not good. Okay, this is probably just too high a resolution. No, this is full HD. Where's the problem then? Yeah, the warping works correctly here. Why is this not looking right? Let's just remove it for now. Okay, yeah, we can see it being warped, and the playback is also much better. Let's see. Why is this not showing? Oh, I'm on this. Okay. So output. Yeah, our logo is also being warped. Yeah, this is much better too. We can finally work in real time a little bit more. Okay, so why is this not correct? Oh, the resolution of the ST mapper is much smaller. That's strange. This is correct. Yeah, the ST mapper is not correct. Okay, let's re-import the ST mapper. ST mapper. Yeah, it's got... Does it have the correct resolution now? Yeah, okay, it's got the correct resolution now. Something was off about that. Background. What? What is happening? Why is it offset like that? They have the same resolution. This is very strange. Maybe I need to restart the program. Resolve. Let me quickly do that. Something is off. I didn't get that much sleep last night, so I might be a little low power mode today, but I hope we can still pull through. Okay, so we got the mask, we got the key here, we got the displaced background here, and then if we merge them, it should be how it usually is. Yeah, there we go. Finally. Yeah, okay. So that's cool, that's cool.
Android CGI said your low power mode seems like our peak mode.
Thanks, man. That makes me feel better. Okay, that's interesting. Yeah, okay, so yeah, she's kind of like warping together with the background, which is, I think, kind of like a cool effect for this. Okay, and then we have also the logo on top. Yeah, now you can really see what this is doing. It's a super trippy effect. Like especially for like adding textures or stuff onto moving objects like clothing, which has a lot of moving parts, so you can't really track it. This technique is super cool. Okay. So yeah, this is what we're gonna do today. We're gonna experiment with this technique and make trippy visuals with it. So what we need is we need to generate backgrounds now that fit the light. So we need kind of like a blue background for this. And this ST mapper. This will also feed into here. This is my little spill replacement thing I did yesterday night. As you can see, if I plug it in there, it will replace all the rest, like basically everywhere where we still have spill. This merge node here, it will replace that spill with the background texture and color, which will make the key just look much better. Okay, so this is foreground ST mapping, foreground vector warping, and this is the background vector warping. For the foreground vector warp, we wanna have kind of like parts of her change to the beat, and then being tracked with her for a few frames. So I'm very excited to try this effect out now, finally. Is there a way to get this played? Okay, this is quick, I guess. Because I don't fully understand yet how to get real-time playback in Fusion. Because even if it says it's like caged, if it's caching, right? Like it doesn't actually play it back in real time after it calculated all the frames, right? Like it's playing it back quicker, but not in real time, which I don't get. Alright. Okay, so we need environments that fit those lighting conditions. So let's just go into Karita. I think this is a good one. We're gonna do the same here in this
Kratix said hello, Calver.
Oh, hello, Kratix. What up? How are you doing today? Yeah, this is gonna feel very unique, I think, very strange.
Kratix said all good, hope is the same for you.
Yeah, man. I mean, yeah, as I said, I'm a bit I'm a bit low power today. I didn't sleep that much because I wanted to get the keying to work better. So I stayed up at night and built a little spill replacement setup. Yeah, and there's a lot of stuff that I need to organize right now outside of the school streams. But yeah, other than that, I am hyped to try out this new technique that I learned. So we need different backgrounds. Let's kind of like maybe just like grab this clip here and slice it up so we see the different backgrounds. Maybe we can even extend this to really see how many theoretical backgrounds there are. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so.
I'd rather be alone.
Okay, let's go through it. So we have. I wish the lighting changes were more abrupt, like kind of like almost frame by frame. That would feel even more intense. Okay, so yeah, let's just add some markers here. Red, a red world. And we have this kind of like desert vibe, right? But it's, the shadows are soft, so. Maybe, what could this be? Oh, whatever, let's just do a desert. Is this already an environment? Seems like the desert again. The red world again. The red world. There's this like in between here. That's kind of interesting. Desert and red world, because the blue is coming in, right? Yeah. Yeah, let's get something for this here too. This looks a little bit like a kind of like a theater light to me, kind of like cinematic. Let's have a look at the work, what's it called? The concepting pictures that I generated already before we started working on this. Judy Mai, work in progress. So we already had these. This future background is also really cool. I wanna use it. Oh, I guess we could. Oh yeah, casino. We had casino. Actually, I think I'll go ahead and just upscale all of these so we can use them, because they should already be enough. Oh yeah, red. Yeah, we have this boxing ring that could be for the red. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, let's just open the ones that I already made and just upscale them. That should work fine. And then we just, if we need any more, we generate more. Yeah, I think that's gonna be a really interesting music video with this style. Okay, so this one. Let's upscale it. What's the resolution of this? 820. 820. Paste it and then upscale it by 3. Let's do 2 first and then maybe another 2. Just see how it does. Rather be alone, be on my own. Yeah! Delicious Berlin water. So much calcium. Time is up. Do 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 do. Okay, upscaling is almost done here. Nice. Yeah, that looks good. Let's do... This should already be enough, right? Yeah, I feel like this resolution should already be... Well, maybe let's just do one more? Nah, should be fine. Should be fine. It's not even 2K. Okay, no, let's do one more. Okay, more upscale. 3K. Can it do it? Can we do it? Let me check if I have how much resources this upscaling actually takes. And then maybe I can do something else on the side. Python is... It's barely using anything. That's strange. What resources does this use? Or is it like in a different... Oh, it's on a CUDA. Ah, okay, okay. It uses CUDA. Security. Is this one also using CUDA? No. Not at all. 0%. Yeah, waiting for the upscaling is kinda... I think I'll just stick with the resolution I had before. I don't think I need that high of a resolution, since I'm also gonna add lens blur to it afterwards. Something I need to figure out is how to add motion blur to the vector warped background. See if there's a option for that. Otherwise, I guess I could just use RSMB again. Okay, almost done. Did it work or did it... Oh, it failed. Okay, whatever. Doing this resolution. PNG. How's this one called? This is boxing ring. V2, yes. Okay, let's just plug it in. Let's see how it looks. This red environment. Yeah, this, yeah. Let's see. BG render, boxing ring V2. Yep. I guess we don't need the color correctors, maybe? Let's see. Oh, we do need them. It's probably different ones. I guess we could try copy pasting them, see how it looks like. Yeah, this looks a little bit better. Very interesting, very interesting. So ST Mapper, does it have a motion blur match render? No width. Okay, this doesn't really do much. Tiling, tiling here, I see. Extend, maybe? Distortion, this is probably the amount. I need it to be 1. Okay, there's no option for motion blur, I think. But yes, since this is I need to transform this. I need to transform. So the red moment is this. This is where the boxing ring fits. Yeah. And then we're also gonna get RSMB on this one, background. And depth of field, lens blur. Yeah, this looks interesting, interesting. Octagon. Cool. So we got the red. Let's get one of the other environments in here. Let's see. We get kind of like a show thing here. The future background maybe might be a little bit too bright. Let's see. Let's get it already anyways. Oh, V2 looks much cooler. This one. this also 820? Yeah, 820 by 820. 820 by 820. Upscale it. Upscale it 2 times. Yep, here we go. It might work. Let's just put it in and see what happens. I'm gonna add, in the banner text, I'm gonna add use text to speech. Text to speech. Speech. I don't know how to write that. I gotta just leave it out. Whatever. Trent says, feels good. Instead of watching Netflix, I'm here watching this. Nice, man. Learning techniques, learning the tools. Okay, let's save this one. What was the name of this? Future BG. Future BG v3. .png. Future BG v3. Yep. Okay, let's put it in, see if it fits any of the... Wait, do we have like a blue moment? Not really. I mean, it could fit here. Let's just try it. Let's just give it a shot. So, what we probably can use here is a multi-merge. Yep, that's good. The colors are definitely a bit strong. Let's use the same setup here. It's a little better. Transform, we also need that on this one. Ah yeah, it's definitely too bright. Oh, it's transparent here. That's not good. Can we fix that now already? Ultra Kia. The Delta Kia is actually better for that. Delta Kia. So we're putting the Delta Kia on this. How should we use the Ultra Kia? Let's see. Image. Matte. Let's crush this. Oh, let's change it. Doesn't get rid of those. Let's see. Oh, I gotta close the window. It's getting too bright. Can't see. Alright. Oh, now I'm very, very dark. Let me close the window on the background too, so I can brighter. Okay, this should be fine, right? Yeah, this is okay. Okay, Delta Kia. Yeah, let's go. Ah, yeah, it does look pretty similar, the green here. Yeah, I see why it's problematic. Let's see if this is any better. No, not really. Okay, maybe it's better than to use to additively use the magic mask. The magic mask. Reset the magic mask. Then let's go to, I guess the first frame is already pretty good. Yeah, that's pretty accurate. Let's go to better. Let me try to remove this stuff here. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Okay, and then just track it. Nice. I saw a little. Yeah, this part here is a little bit annoying. Let's remove that. Okay, it seems to have fixed it. Yep. Okay, cool. And then we're going to use this as the solid mask, right? Yeah, solid matte. Whoa. What's this? That didn't seem to work. Did that work? I think that worked. Yeah, that worked. Okay. And then I'm going to eat it in a little bit though, so we don't get those outlines. Do we even need the alpha multiplier? We don't need it here. Okay. Matte control. Contract. Why doesn't it work? Hello? I guess I can do it directly in the magic mask too, right? Yeah. Yeah, this is good. Okay, yeah, this looks pretty good. Why is that there? What? Oh, that's from the key. The key couldn't key that. Alright, well, I didn't see it before, so maybe it's fine. Yeah, it's replacing it with the background color anyways. So it should be fine. Oh, it's still transparent here. What? No, it's not. Why is it? Is that the spill replace I made? Oh, it is. It's replacing it a little bit too well. Maybe we should just replace it on the edges, not so much in. But yeah, it's definitely like helping with blur here a lot. Oh, actually, I should feed this in there. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so, but it shouldn't replace the green inside of the body too much. Oh, it definitely helps here, but then this is too much. What to do? And it definitely helps it to like look much more realistic for sure. Yeah. Yeah, it looks almost perfect in my opinion. But how do we fix this? Because this truly just looks like it's see-through. We can use, maybe just plug this into the mask channel here. Then invert the mask. Yeah, I think that worked. Yeah, that worked. Cool. Yeah, that totally worked. Nice. Okay. Okay, so, but yeah, the background definitely doesn't match the light that well. But I will already animate the transition between them. How could they transition? Maybe through like a luminance? That's a bit standard. So the blend is this, right? Yeah, this blends from one to the next. What about burn-in? It's a little strange. Just a normal blend feels a little bit boring in comparison to the effect itself. Let's try luminance wipe. Whatever. So for that, I guess we need a normal merge. Merge these together. And for the mask, I will use a luma key of the foreground element, which is in the beginning the city, but we're going to replace that later anyways. So yeah, put that into the luminance key and put that into the mask. And now we can use this and clamp that down. And then if we move this around, it reveals the other one. Yeah, that's kind of cool. It's kind of cool, I guess. I think we need to... Yeah, we need to apply a curve, so we got a little bit of play area for the luminance key. So it should just go from... Oh no, I think it's the other one, this value here. Right? Am I thinking this right? So the luminance key right now is... This is fully the beginning. This is fully the end. So it's not enough for the highlights yet. So I need to... Highlights. Okay, so I need to switch the highlights. Tone them down a little bit. Oh, how much do I need to tone them down? 0.5, okay. And then if I move this, that should be revealed smoothly. Yeah, cool. Okay, but now I also need to crush to bring in the shadows more. Two. Okay, did that work? That worked, yep. Okay, cool. 0.2, 0.8. This should make sense, but why doesn't it cut out that part? Or does it need to be brighter instead of dimmer? No. That's weird. 0.6, okay, 0.6 seems to do it. Maybe I'm just not thinking right. Okay, so going from this to that. Okay, let's see how that transition would look like. This to full on red. Oh, it's not fully done, not fully gone. 0.5, yeah, now it's fully gone. Okay, let's see how that looks in movement. Interesting. Does it also add motion blur to that? It's a bit sudden, a bit abrupt. I mean, I wanted it abrupt, I guess. So, I guess this is how I wanted it. Sensitivity, all the way sensitive, yes. Right, so it doesn't seem to actually do any difference. Okay, whatever. Whatever. Okay, I guess it's because we are not fully in this environment anyway, so let's just be already on halfway through. Yeah, I have a little bit of red already in there. Like this. Yeah, this actually looks like it's matching a little bit. I think we can make the transition even softer. Yeah, that could be cool. Oh, you know what? Do I already have the wrap and glow in here? No. Okay, let's get the wrap and glow in here too. That should also help to make everything feel like it belongs together. Wrap and glow. Wrap and glow, baby. So, yeah, I guess here. Oh, yes, now the lights look actually really good. Okay, we get the key in here, right? So this one here. Yeah, no, so now we got some nice light wrap around the highlights. Very good. Okay, let's see how that looks. I don't get why this happens sometimes. My glow just like keeps calculating something. Ooh, yeah, that looks kind of cool. Why is it not... What is it calculating here for so long now? Sometimes I'm very confused. I guess it makes sense to put this in the middle, kind of like to symbolize the middle point. Lord 6 is also back on the chat. Yo, man, what's up? I'm a bit tired today, but we're doing a new technique, which is very, very cool, very interesting technique. Keeps calculating the RSMB. Why? What is happening here? Why is it like calculating this RSMB like all over and over again? The magic mask. I don't know what's happening here. But definitely is looking interesting. Interesting. Okay, so we transition from... Come on, man. Don't always calculate. So we're transitioning from the pool. Maybe if I disable RSMB, does it not do that then? No, it still calculates so many times. I don't know. Okay, but it does look pretty good. So we go from the pool to the box ring, to the red box ring, and then what's next? Blue. What does blue mean? It's blue, yeah. Do we have any environment that's already kind of blue? Except for the future. Oh, I guess we could get the casino and color shift it. Yeah, let's try that. See how that looks. Is this also 820 again? Yes. Okay, upscale it 2 times. This is pretty annoying that it's like on the first frame it's always doing this never-ending calculation loop. I don't understand why. Is it because of this? If I disable my glow? No, it's still in a never-ending loop. Or is it? It's not. Is it? I'm not sure. It's strange, man. Strange. Because I don't have any time-based effects in here. Okay, we got upscaled. Let's save this one. Background. Call this Casino BGV2. BGV2. Okay. Drop that in here. Then we do a similar setup here where we merge this one with the previous one. I'm also gonna get these nodes over to connect that in here. Oops. the Luma key also in here. Get that in here and use that as a mask. Did I do anything special here? No, right? No. Okay, so this one, can I remove all the animation from this? Remove all, yeah, nice. Okay, so if I move this around, it should switch it from, yeah, from box ring to casino. Nice, okay. So going from box ring, where is it? So yeah, we are here. Red is the boxing ring. So keyframe here. And then full blue casino. It's about here. Oops, I should have done it the other way around. So this is here, and this is still the boxing ring. Okay, nice. Seems to be working. We just gotta color shift this casino. Color shifted. Hue. Just hue shift. Would that work? Yeah, that works pretty well. Yeah. It's cool. It's interesting. Okay, let's see how that looks. Actually, let's finish it up. Let's go to the. Do we have any more color changes in this shot here? Oh, it's going back to red. Okay, yeah, I guess we can go back to the boxing ring at the end a little bit. For that, I guess we add another merge, and we add another Luma key here, and we feed this back into this merge, and this into the Luma key, and this into the mask. And then we should have the controls here to fade it back. Yes, nice. I love it when it works. Okay, so I'm gonna start the transition here, and then at the end it's revealed a little bit. Like this. Yeah. Okay, now let's see how that looks. Let's go into the edit mode, because the edit mode is for some reason actually playing it back in real time when it caches something. Lord Success. DaVinci is really cool, to be honest. Yeah, it can be really, really cool. Sometimes it's still a little buggy, especially Fusion. It is not perfect yet. The standalone works a little bit better, but I really like to have it directly implemented in the editor and everything. That just gives you so much more possibilities. Is it actually doing anything? Oh, it's probably doing the weird loop thing, so it should start any moment. Trent says how long the stream is going to be today. Today I'm gonna do until 18 Berlin time, so that's still 1.5 hours. Okay, I hope it's gonna start rendering this now. Hello. That means if we look through our... That's strange. Is it caching anything else? No, this is the only thing. It should start rendering at any moment. Lot success. I am kinda After Effects guy. Yeah, man, I mean, you can already do so much in After Effects too. And After Effects got crazy plugins. On the other hand, DaVinci is also scary, says Lord 6. Yeah, everything. If you're not used to node compositing or working with nodes, it's always scary to get into. But once, kind of like, nodes really is like a language. Like if you understand a node systems once, you can almost use any node system, which is a big plus in my opinion, because layer-based programs are still very different from each other. Like, I guess like kind of the UI is similar with like After Effects, Premiere, Photoshop. Those are all like layer-based, right? Why is it not rendering? Come on. But node programs all have a lot of same fundamental systems. So yeah, if you know one node system program, you can use so many different tools and so many different workflows that work with nodes. Like Unreal Engine with its blueprint programming language too, right? Vistris entered on the name of After Effects. The After Effects boy. It's not rendering. I don't know what's happening. Are we still in this endless loop? This endless rendering loop here in the beginning? Yeah, we are. Oh, I don't know why. I don't know why this is happening.
Adroit CGI said DaVinci be like. Time is up.
Time's up. You gotta get on. Your time is up. Okay, it actually isn't. It's actually not rendering. It's like stuck on something. Should I just close the project? I'll try it. Let's close the project. Oh, and a little tip, you don't need to restart Resolve completely if something doesn't work properly. You can just open the home page and then right click on the project, close it, and then just open it up again. It's much quicker than having to restart the whole program. Okay, how's it looking? Are we rendering?
Adroit CGI said damn no way we can do this.
What can't you do? What are you talking about?
Well,
You can
like the
do
way you
anything.
just open the project, if there's some kind of bug in it.
Ah, I see. Yeah. Yeah, it's so much easier. Okay, it's actually not rendering anything right now. Maybe I do need a real Resolve restart. Because I really don't know what's happening right now. It's just not doing anything. Did my GPU crash or something like that? Doesn't seem so. Okay, yeah, I'll restart the whole Resolve. Usually just closing the project and reopening it fixes it. But yeah, let's see if restarting all of Resolve does fix it. something definitely isn't right. Something is strange. Time is up. Never get along. Okay, please render. Please give me a frame, just one. Okay, cool, we got a frame. It is rendering a bunch of nodes. Okay, going to the first frame. It's doing the weird... Okay, cool. So it is rendering something. So if we go into the edit mode now, does it start rendering the shot? I don't know. I don't know what this is. I don't know why it's not rendering. Oh wait, it's doing something. It's getting some frames here. Yeah, this behavior is really strange right now. Maybe I should close the other programs I have open. Oh! Ah, we have a frame. Okay, we have a frame. Please continue. You're doing good, you're doing well. Is it doing it? Okay, I think it got unstuck now though. So if you give it a little bit of time, it should render it. But yeah, I don't know why that happens. I don't want to work like this the whole time now. Should find a solution for that. But yeah, it is rendering now. Okay, let's wait until the red bar is gone. Until then, I guess we can look at the other environments we still have and see if we should upres one of them. Yeah, I mean, let's just upres all of these. Why not? They all look pretty cool. Upres 2 times. Oh, is this already high resolution? Oh yeah, this is already 1900. Cool. So we can just drop that one in. Oh, I didn't actually export it though. Okay. Let's save it. 3D background render AutoKino 1 v1.png. Yep. Okay, we got another one. I guess we can just do most of these. Yeah, this beach environment is really nice. Upscale 2 times. Let's go. Trent says my 2060 Super is crying in the corner seeing 3090 struggle. Yeah, man. We don't have quantum computers yet who can give us results instantly. I wish we were living in that world. I don't want to wait for anything. I'm patient. Okay, cool. We got it caged.
Your time is up. Your time is up.
Alright, definitely feels interesting.
Your time is up. Your time is up. Your time is
I'm not sure if I like the way the environments transition just yet, like the Luma key wipe. But it feels interesting for sure, so I'm gonna continue doing this. And then we're gonna do another pass where on the beat things in the environment also get switched around. What should we do next? Oh, this one's cool. Yeah, let's do this one next. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, what do we need to render this? Yeah, this is 200. So we need to render this one. Footage. Fix. Render in place. DNxHR. Original resolution. Oh wait, reset the transformations. Yes. Place. Resolution. Click effects. Yep. We're gonna render that into our footage VFX convert. Lord 6 says, my 4070 been silent after seeing a 3090 struggle. Is how much stronger is the 47 than the 3090? Because like from my experience, I built a PC with one 4090. Like currently I have a PC with two 3090s, and I built another one for our company that has a 4090 in it. And the 4090 is basically as good as those two 3090s. So I kind of like wonder how much better the 4070 is than the 3090. Yeah, we got this. Nice. Oh, I should have named it correctly. Whatever, I'll just do it now. So this is hook shot 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And I'm going to copy over everything I did in here. This for now, this is not correct. Okay, everything happening back there is not necessary just yet. Okay, we're just doing the vector warp tracking for now. So, okay, file, we need a new file path.
Adroit CGI said 4070 has 12 GB of RAM, which is half of 3090, and 12 GB of RAM is not enough for big projects.
Oh, I see. 12 gigabytes is for a lot of, like nowadays for 3D scenes not enough, but I felt like mine had a little bit more. Yeah, my 3090 has 24 gigabytes of VRAM, which is, I don't think I ran out of it yet. Okay, let's track this. Okay, the path is correct. Let's choose a reference frame. Let's play it back. I guess the middle would make sense. Kind of like... Oh, the beginning maybe. Yeah, I think the beginning makes sense in this case. Okay, so... Set reference frame. Generate cooling pass. Nope. And... let's check if the folder got that got created correctly. Effects, vector warp. Yep, that looks good. Okay, then we do vector advanced was working fine. Let's analyze forward then backward. Good, good. Okay, did that work? Create loader. No, something did not work. Go to frame. Analyze forward. I think it looked like it was analyzing in one direction and then it was rewriting the other direction again. Edward wrote, I tried rendering in 4070 Ti with path tracing on Unreal Engine and it crashed, saying T3D error, GPU out of cache. Okay. Yeah, I don't know about that. Sorry, man. Sorry to hear. Okay, that seemed to work. Why doesn't it track the last frames? What's happening? Did it not create those frames? 38, 38, 39. It does have all those frames. Why doesn't it just continue tracking? That's weird. Maybe let's create a reference frame more in the middle. Set reference frame. Generate the clean plates. Okay, and analyze forward and backward. I hope that works. It seemed to have done the same thing again, just skipping the last ones. Why does it do that? Maybe I just need to create a new new node. Maybe because I copy pasted it, didn't do it correctly. Yeah, okay, I don't know. Let's create a new vector warp. My time is up. Vector warp, get in there. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna copy paste that path. Warp. Let's control setup. Okay, let's just go with the first frame this time. Set reference frame. Generate clean pass. Okay, and analyze forward. Please, please do it correct. Yes, okay, okay, nice. It did it. It went all the way. Okay, create loader. Load it up. Nice. Okay, cool. Let's test it. Let's put it here in the ST warp. And this warp. We can enable these again. I guess we can disable this one, we don't need that one. Magic mask. Oh yeah, we don't have the magic mask enabled in this one. Do we even? I guess we can just reuse it again. Yeah. So reset it. What was the matte settings here? Okay, just a little bit minus. That's good. Okay. All right. Let's draw on her. That looks fine. Yeah. Better than we track it. Nice. And then we clamp it a little bit. Like this, right? Okay, yeah, that should work well. Wait, why do we have that in there? What? Oh, because I'm using it as a keeping thing. So how's it called? Solid mask? Solid mat, yeah. And for the garbage mat, but I also want to use it as a garbage mat, right? Does she intersect with anything at some point? Maybe I can just... Why doesn't play it back? Why doesn't this note get played back? That's weird. There is some strange behavior here today. Okay, she is intersecting with that. I guess let's just, yeah, do a quick polymask here. Pyong. Okay. Like that. That should be fine, right? Yeah, it should be fine. Oh, need to invert it. Here we go. There's a little bit of... Oh, there's a little bit in there. We don't want this part. Yeah, like that. Okay. That should be good. That should be good now. Okay, I guess now we can decide again when we want to see what environment. Can we extend the... I think we're seeing through the shirt here again. We can just increase the erosion here. Yeah, that looks better. Yep, that looks good. Okay. Okie dokie. Okay, so let's see the real footage here, so we can see the exact lighting on her. Oh, okay, so it's definitely going back into yeah, boxing ring here. That's cool. Is it the same? Is it going from like the skyline back to the boxing ring, like in the shot before? Is it doing anything? Oh, you're right, the resize node for some reason doesn't play back. And the first frame always loops itself. Oh my god. Why are there so many technical problems in this project? I guess this is fine. It's going to... What environment do we have afterwards? Oh, interesting. We have a blue and red at the same time. Do we have any environment like that? No. Blue and red. I guess the casino could make sense if we changed the colors a little bit. Let's see. This is the casino. Hue. I don't really get that blue tint here. Ah, this should help. That's saturation. Yeah, that helps. And we could make a little mask, and then the top is red. Let's try that. do another curves. Oops. Put this in here, and then we merge these. Merge these by poly. We're gonna draw this poly through this dark part here. And then we can use the second node. Oh, it was curves? Oh no, I didn't want to duplicate the curves, I wanted to duplicate the color corrector. Ah, damn. Okay, so the curves need to happen before. Oh no, this looks terrible. I guess I gotta duplicate the curves then too. That's a bit annoying. But I can do a linked copy, at least. So like that, into the linked curves. Okay, so we got the top and the bottom basically. This goes in here. And then with this color wheel, we are going to red town. Painting the town red. That. Yeah, like this. Okay, that worked. But we don't see it yet. We might need to put the transition a little bit lower. Or just frame it higher. But that could feel unnatural. Let's try. Let's transform it to be there. I mean, it can get a bit trippy, right? Like this. Pretty trippy. Let's just try it. Lord Six says, goodbye, see you later, I gotta go to sleep. Alright, man. Yeah, have a good night. I'll see you around. Okay, I think this is fine. Is the animation correct here? So we are going from this. Oh, the transition is way too quick. It was this one, right? Yeah, this is better. Got some more space like this. Okay, where's the transition point? So going from this to this. Oh, it's only. Oh my god. The colors are so. The color changes are so crazy. Because they're all also not all at the same point. They are like kind of like intersecting with each other, the animations. So you need different type of combinations of lights. That is difficult. Oh, here's the transition point. Okay, so it should be fully here at this point. And the beginning of the transition. Is that not playing again? Oh my god, though. Beginning of the transition is here. But then also that goes away again to, oh my god, it's so many different lighting combinations. This isn't even the, yeah, this is not the, this is the box ring. This light here isn't even the box ring, this is more like, this is something else. What is this? That looks like burlesque. That looks like burlesque. Oh, okay. So let's get that burlesque render scaled up. Ba, ba, ba. Okay, got that. PNG V2. Okay, let's get that in there. So the beginning should be not that, but this. So we might not need that yet. So how does this look? Yeah, it's kind of fitting. A little bit too bright, maybe. Okay, that looks like it kind of fits. Oh, this is the box ring. Damn, so many switches. Okay, this goes... Wait, it goes from this to that. So we don't use this switch at all? Ah, not really. So I guess we can get rid of this part for now. Just have that. Okay, so it switches to that, and then it switches to the box ring. So that means it should be already revealed here. Yeah. That's where does the reveal begin? Wow, that's so quick. Oh my god, it's gonna be chaos. Okay, I guess it works. Then we go back to burlesque. Right here. Okay, the switch already starts here. So going from this to the full reveal, which is, yeah. Yeah, okay. Is there another switch? I wonder, I wonder. Yes, two more. Back to the ring. Back to burlesque. Okay. So that goes in there, and then with the ring again. So this goes in here and there. That means we are in the ring. Wait. I am in burlesque. So this is all burlesque. Okay, burlesque. And then we are in the boxing ring. Okay, and then one more time to burlesque. Damn, this is crazy, man. So many switches. Burlesque we have here. So from ring. Why is it not doing anything? Where is it? Burlesque. Oh, this is already burlesque. So it should be ring before, right? It's going to ring, yes. Oh, is it suddenly burlesque again? Oh, because it ends at 30? Why is the merge... why is this not ending at 30? What? Oh, because I moved it by accident, right? Oh, man. Why does it end at 30? This one ends at 30. Why? This one ends at 30. This one ends at 30. Okay, I think because that. Because of that. They are supposed to be longer. That should be fine now. That should be fixed. Okay, so yeah, it's at burlesque and then it goes back into the ring, right? No, it is in the ring. Then it goes back to burlesque. Yep, okay. Now let's see it play out. I think it should work. Okay, yeah, let's have it cached. Cached. Shubam asked, Calva, when will you stream again? I don't have the next streams planned are in mid-May. Like that's when the official streams will begin. When was that again? Exactly. On the May of the 13th May. So that's when I will start streaming every day. But maybe if a project like this comes up until then, I'll do another stream. But yeah, that might be it until then. But I'll definitely do some like fun streams in between, like I did on my home party recently. I did a live stream of us doing virtual reality DJing, and that was also very fun. So yeah, maybe we will do something like that. Okay, almost done. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's interesting. Yeah. Oh, I feel like we're missing a switch at the beginning. Yeah, there should be a switch in the beginning. But it looks really interesting. Yeah, for sure. Cool, yeah, I think we can just continue like that. Interesting. Cool. Okay. I'm happy that it works. Yeah, so we land on burlesque here. Before that it should be boxing. Okay. Being my own, the love's killing me. Boxing. Okay, so boxing first. That means we need another. We need one before that. So right here. Into here. This one goes in here. And this one goes in there. And also this one goes in here, I think. Alright. Yeah, okay, cool. Okay, so we start off at boxing. It's kind of like this. And then we're in burlesque here. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, cool. We've got half an hour more of this stream. But I'm happy that it looks like this effect is actually looking cool. So if we do this through all the shots and then add add like foreground elements and like more AI things flicker and like track with it, I think it's gonna feel pretty cool, pretty unique. But yeah, I definitely still need, I would say, like probably like 2 full days to finish this music video. It's not gonna get done today. Better tell Judy. Time is up. Never be alone in another now. Okay, let's do the next one. It's a little stuck right now. Hello? Please? I guess I can already maybe render this? Let's see. So this is gonna be shot 4. Render in place, HR, this is good. Oh wait, I gotta reset the scaling. Render in place. Yes. VFX convert. Okay. Will it do it, or is it stuck on that VFX shot? Looks like it's stuck right now. Yeah, that's a little bit of a bummer.